Good morning. I am Christopher Clarks from base Cream 1B, and this is my oral recitation. This is my oral recitation in human rights. Article 3, Bill of Rights, Section 1. No person shall be deprived of life, liberty, or property without due process of law, nor shall any person be denied the equal protection of the law. Section 2. The right of the people to be secure in their persons, houses, and papers, and effects against reasonable searches and seizures of whatever nature and for any purpose shall be inviolable. And no search warrant or warrant of arrest shall issue except upon probable cause to be determined personally by the judge after examination, under oath or affirmation of the complainant, and the witnesses he may produce, and particularly describing the place to be searched and the persons or things to be seized. Section 3, Number 1. The privacy of communication and correspondence shall be inviolable, except upon lawful order of the court, or when public safety or order requires otherwise, as prescribed by law. Any evidence obtained in violation of this preceding section should be inadmissible for any purpose in any proceeding. Section 4. No law shall pass abridging the freedom of speech, of expression, or of the press, or the right of the people, peaceably to assemble and petition the government for redress or grievances. Section 5. No law shall be made respecting an establishment of religion, or prohibiting the free exercise thereof, the free exercise and enjoyment of religious profession and worship, without discrimination or preference, shall forever be allowed. No religious test shall be required for the exercise of civil or political rights. Section 6. The liberty of abode and of changing the same within the limits prescribed by law shall not be impaired except upon lawful order of the court. Neither shall be the right to travel the impaired except in the interest of national security, public safety, or public health, as may be provided by law. Section 7. The right of the people to be information on matters of public concern shall be recognized. Access to the final seconds, the documents and papers pertaining to official acts, transactions, or decisions, as well as to government research, data use as basis for public development.